There is no greater, more honorable calling than to serve and to protect the country. So let me leave you with this. As newly promoted PNP officials rise up to the complexity of today's challenges, balance the demands of law enforcement while preserving institutional integrity, adhere to human rights, have effective leadership to address multifaceted issues that surround our country today. Let all your actions reflect the core values that we all hold dear. Mas patatagin ang pagiging makadiyos, makabayan, makatao, at makakalikasan. Itaguyod natin ang isang bagong Pilipinas kung saan ramdam ang kapayapaan sa buong kapulungan. At kung saan ang bawat Pilipino ay nabubuhay ng matiwasay, walang takot at may dignidad. Once again, congratulations. We'll move forward together with deeper dedication, keeping the welfare of the Filipino at the heart of all that we do. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang Philippine National Police. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.